Every single day, this massive Parle factory produces lakhs of Melody Chocolaty candies, operating almost around the world. Specialized food-grade trucks arrive carrying the essential ingredients required to manufacture lakhs of Melody Chocolaty candies every day.
Hold it right there.
Entering the production facility. The raw materials are unloaded into dedicated storage systems. Each ingredient is routed directly toward the production process without delay. Large quantities of sugar are finely ground to create a perfectly smooth texture before entering the chocolate mixing process.
Powerful industrial mixers combine every ingredient into Melody's rich chocolate caramel mixture, creating the signature smooth taste enjoyed by millions. The chocolate mixture is continuously heated under carefully controlled temperatures, developing its rich flavor, smooth texture, and signature Melody consistency.
Inside powerful vacuum cookers, excess moisture is removed. This achieves Melody's smooth, chewy caramel texture.
After cooking, the hot chocolate caramel is gradually cooled to the ideal forming temperature while moving continuously through the production line.
The chocolate caramel is transformed into a perfectly uniform rope, preparing it for continuous center filling and candy forming. Specialized filling machines inject smooth liquid chocolate into the center, creating Melody's famous soft chocolate-filled core. Rotary forming machines shape and separate the continuous filled rope. This produces thousands of perfectly uniform Melody candies every minute. The freshly formed Melody candies pass through a long cooling tunnel where the caramel shell becomes perfectly firm while preserving the smooth chocolate-filled center. Multiple production lines merge together, creating a continuous flow of thousands of Melody candies every minute toward the automated packaging system. High-speed wrapping machines automatically wrap every Melody candy in its iconic printed wrapper, protecting freshness while operating at extraordinary speed. The wrapper ends are automatically twisted, giving every Melody candy its familiar sealed shape, while maintaining extremely high production speed. Computerized packing systems accurately fill and seal Melody retail packs, producing lakhs of chocolate packets every production shift. Millions of Melody candies are packed. Advanced robotic systems stack them onto pallets. Trucks deliver fresh stock across India. Millions enjoy the soft caramel and chocolate center,